guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix cannot set a default printer error, and the error code is 0x00000709. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are also facing the same problem, so I will guide you step by step to fix your problem. Guys, first of all, you need to open a registry editor. For that, click on start menu, then type here registry editor. You can see here registry editor, just right click on this, click on run as administrator, click on yes. In left section you can see here HKey current user, just double click on this. In this you can see here software, double click on this. Guys, after this, little bit down side you can see here Microsoft, double click on this. In this, scroll down, you have to scroll down a little bit. You can see here Windows NT, you have to double click on this. In this you can see current version, double click on this. In this you can see here Windows option, double click on this. Guys, in this you can see Windows folder, you have to double click on this. Guys, you can see here device, you have to copy your printer name in this device. Now I will show you how to copy the printer name to this device file. First you have to open the control panel, click on start menu, search here control panel. You can see here control panel, click on this. In this, in hardware and sound section you can see here view device and printers, click on this. If you have a printer driver installed in your PC or laptop, the driver will be shown here, or printer name or printer software, it will be shown here. Just you have to right click on this, click on properties. You can see here printer name Canon LBP 2900. Just copy this one, cancel this. You have to open the registry editor. Here you can see device, just right click on this, click on modify. You have to rename this. After renaming this, click OK. After doing this, just try to set default printer from control panel. Just right click on this and try to set a default printer. If still your problem is not fixed, then I will show you second method how to solve that. You have to open registry editor again. Guys, you can see here Windows, just right click on this. You can see here permission, click on this. You have to allow the permissions for all the user account. Guys, again you have to add another username here, click on add and type everyone. Click on check name, click OK. You can see here another user has been added. You have to click on this, then you have to allow all the permissions. After allowing all the permissions, click apply, click OK. Guys, after doing all these changes, once you have to restart your PC or laptop. After restarting your PC, guys, your problem will be fixed. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.